Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes and welcome. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the 6 kitchen must-haves that you want to incorporate into your kitchen if you're doing a kitchen renovation. Okay, so kitchen renovations are a huge expense and there may be a few minor little details in there that you want to think about so you can get the full effect and incorporate the best things into your kitchen when doing a renovation. So I have talked about this particular item so many times because I love them and I think they're amazing. So to give you extra storage and organization, definitely incorporate pull-out shelves into your kitchen. So pull-out shelves are a wonderful way to put them in your pantry or even in the cabinets in your kitchen to organize. And also they're great for people that have mobility problems. So you can pull them out. You don't have to crouch down, dig down under that cabinet to try to find something. They're amazing. And I think as far as pantries go, they really do a wonderful job in helping organization in the pantry because, again, as you know and I know, especially in my own kitchen, the pantry is a place that can seem to never stay organized. So definitely, if you're doing a kitchen renovation, put in pull-out shelves, especially in the pantry. And the next item you want to definitely add into your kitchen renovation is a large size pull-out trash can that can both have a trash bin and a recycling bin. So there's been quite a few times where it was kind of an afterthought for a lot of clients. They know they want a pull-out trash can, but that recycling piece kind of just went to the wayside and they didn't think about it. But if you're getting a whole brand new kitchen and you have a custom kitchen being built, it's something very easy that the carpenter can make for you, and make sure that you add that second bin to a large enough pull-out so you can have both in your kitchen. And the third thing is definitely a great thing because right now we all have charging that we need. We have phones, laptops, all of that. So incorporating a charging station into a drawer or somewhere that's hidden is really great. And right now in a previous video short of mine that I made from a showroom over in London, they have actually pop-up outlets. And I will insert a picture here so you can see what that is right from the countertop. So you press the top of the button and it pops up, and then when you're finished with it, it hides seamlessly into the countertop. So definitely look into that when getting your kitchen renovated. Large sinks are great and most people love them. And they do have 3 different sink options as far as large sinks, whether it's an undermount or a farmhouse sink. You can either get a large one-piece sink, you can have a 60-40 split or a 50-50 split. And I think the general idea for a lot of people when it came to food prep was doing that split sink or maybe washing on one side, drying on one side. But I think for functionality purposes, you want to consider one large open sink, because the problem with those split sinks is we all have large pots and pans that we need to wash, and it's kind of a very challenging situation when it comes to washing large items, because generally most of us use a dishwasher for plates, cups, and all of those things. So you just want to make sure that your sink is large enough to be able to wash all of those large items that you don't necessarily stick in the dishwasher. And then the other one I want to talk about is the range oven combination. So a long time ago, most people had wall ovens and it took up quite a large amount of space in the kitchen. But right now, the best option and what people are going with most of the times is the range oven slide-in combinations and completely eliminating the wall ovens, which allows to have extra space for cabinetry. So if you want to put a coffee station in your kitchen, you can maybe do that in that part. You can use that space for a very large pantry cabinet, and it will allow to give you extra space. So really consider getting a slide-in oven range combination and eliminating that wall oven. That's going to be aesthetically more beautiful and give your kitchen a more updated look. And it's also going to allow you to have more cabinet space also. And I'm going to go back to one more time mentioning the pantry pullouts. There's so many great options when it comes to different sizes, materials, different heights for those pantry pullout shelves. And I really want to make it a point to make sure you really look into those because they're a great option. And I want to show you a bunch of different types here so that way you can see that you can incorporate different, like I said, materials and sizes in there, and it's going to be great for organization for your pantry. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Until next time, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.